Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle I'm wearing using a kinky straight wig from Luvme here. The wig came in this box with a few goodies and here they are. This is a bag you can store the wig in after taking it off so it doesn't mess up. I also got a pair of stocking cap, of course. And I got this little pouch with some other stuff in there, including this edge scarf and this mirror I show you guys all the time, and this is a edge brush, of course I got that also, and then I got this elastic band that's adjustable for the wig. This is the wig right here. It's kinky straight like I mentioned before, and it does come with a center part, but as you can see in the beginning of the video I had a side part in. The length of the wig, I will put that in the description box. I don't remember off the top of my head. I think it's 26 inches. It's pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so I won't have to do any of that. It also has some clips in it, two in the side and the part that you could attach the elastic band onto, and then it has another clip in the back of it and one in the top. So I review these kinky straight wigs all the time, but this glueless one right here is by far the easiest one and the most natural one I've ever put on. It was so easy that I could have literally put it on in like 2 minutes and be done with the video, but that was just not like me. I like to, give you guys something, so I decided to spice it up a little. And by spicing it up, I mean I put it on my wig block, and as you can see, I'm showing you guys right there the little baby edges that comes on the wig. It looks so natural, like it's your own. But yeah, by spicing it up, I mean I went ahead and blow it up, but this I would definitely recommend because you don't want it to look all folded up like it came in the package. So definitely blow it out, and like I said, you could just put it on from here, but I went ahead and do more to the wig because I like to style my wig. I like to, make it look different or jazz it up a little bit. Now I am gonna cut the lace off, and I'm gonna cut it off while it's still sitting on my wig block because I feel like that's so much easier than putting it on my head. And believe me guys, I'm gonna be finished with this video in no time. I'm not gonna hold y'all, I promise. As you can see, I have a center part and I could wear it like that, but I decided to move my part into the left side. Yeah, that's the left side. And so I did, and I liked it better. But I could wear it like this, straight and whatever, but I felt like, you know what? Let's put some curl in it. Let's do a little bit of work on this because then the video is gonna be ending way too quick if I just leave it like that, because there's really nothing to do to this wig. It's so easy to install that you literally have nothing to do to it really. So I went ahead and add some foundation on the parting. As you can see here, I wanted it to look more natural, so leaving it the way it was a little bit too dark, so that works for me. So here I'm looking at it like, ooh, I love it, I love you. Should I just leave it like this or not? And then the answer was not. So I decided to take it up a notch, make it look even better. So I went ahead and do my thing and curl it up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this little bit in the back and do some makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And that is pretty much it guys, nothing to it. I show y'all how easy it is to achieve this look. It was so easy that you could just leave it straight, but like I said, I wanted to jazz it up a little bit, so I went ahead and add the curls, and I feel like the curls change it up so much. I am so in love with these curls, they're so beautiful. Again, the wig is from Luvme here. Make sure you use my discount code, so when you go on their website to purchase either this wig or any wig on their website, you'll get a lovely discount. I'm also gonna leave the discount code and all the hair information in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I will get back to them as soon as I can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!